All right, we're gonna take a little cruise here in a 51 Chevy Styleline Deluxe, and this is a ragtop. We got the top up right now. We're gonna take some pictures of it with the top down. This one's got a little upgraded 235 straight 6. Stovebolt 6, yeah. And then it's got a Fenton Intake with some dual 1-barrel Rochesters. And it's got a split Fenton Header system that gives us dual exhaust. Been upgraded there with the 12-volt system, and it's got a rebuilt Powerglide in there. So, you know, it's a pretty cool cruiser, and got a custom stereo system.
Yeah, under the hood, it looks like something they would have done back then in the 50s. You know,
right?
It's got all the finned aluminum and the oil filter that's with fins around it. Really
Yep.
cool looking. Something that you'd see in a magazine.
Oh yeah, it's got it's got Lancer hubcaps there on the outside and gangster whites. You know, the nice big whites.
Got fender skirts, of course.
Yep.
And how about that hood ornament out there?
Oh yeah, look at that thing.
It's like we're gonna fly away.
I think so. And then, let me give you a little interior thing here, there you go.
It's a nice dash. It's got an upgraded stereo system in it. It looks stock, but it's got a nice sound. It's got a little amp under the seat.
Yep.
A little modernized.
Yeah, so this is a fun car, and it gets a lot of attention when you go to the car shows, Not as fast as the last car we just drove, a 446 pack, but this is just a nice cruiser, and you can put some people in the back here.
You can get invited to all the parades with this one.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Take the mayor in it.
I don't know if I take my mayor in there. Yeah, but it's pretty good. Yeah, FedEx truck, I just saw him somewhere.
Yeah, we just keep the same spot all the time.
Yeah, exactly. All right, we're gonna take some pictures of this. All right, check out this 51 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe ragtop. Pretty cool car. Got a 235 Stovebolt 6 in it. Got some some performance upgrades that you do like in the 50s. It's got like a Fenton intake manifold with dual 1-barrel Rochester carbs. It's got some split Fenton headers there. I'm gonna try to say that all at once. And it's got dual exhaust. It's been upgraded with a 12-volt system, so that's kind of nice for if you want to put a little bit more modern conveniences in there. It's got Pertronix ignition, and it's got a nice, freshly rebuilt Powerglide transmission, and a custom stereo system, and some Lancer hubcaps there to go along with the gangster whites, which you can see right there. So this car's got the look. Got a red interior. Let me show you, walk around here and get you a good look at it. Very much like the 50s there. There's a stereo, it has a little amp underneath and stuff like that, so it sounds pretty good. Got a little tachometer. Automatic transmission, no 3 on the tree there, But she looks really nice. We have pictures there of the top, still pictures with the top up, and that looks really nice too. So we're gonna go ahead and fire this thing up, and we're gonna have you take a listen to it. Just a little 6-cylinder, but it's a cruiser. All right, here's the power plant here on the 51. You can see there the Fenton. It's got dual 1-barrels there. And you got the headers underneath, kind of hard to see. You can kind of see it in between. It's got the finned valve cover, the wane. So like I say, a lot of stuff you'll do, back in the 50s when they wanted to hop them up. Got your oil filter there. Got your alternator down there, that upgrade I was talking about. Great thing to have in a car like this. And it's just their standard 6-cylinder, and runs well, and like I said, a cruiser, not a race car, but it'll take you anywhere you need to go. So go ahead and start this thing up. All right, sounds just like those 6-cylinders. All right, we're gonna go back here and take a listen to the exhaust. Woo! 6-cylinder power, man. 6-cylinder power. That's it. Well, we got this car here at California Cars out in Simi Valley. 818-591-1313. Give Rich or Gary a call. We'd be more than happy to show you this car, and it's nicer cruiser. You'll enjoy it.